In fact, Deepak Shenoy of Capital Minds also spoke to us about the recent SEBI guidelines on the flat fee structure.
In the shorter term, some brokerages may raise their prices, but as we have seen in a very competitive industry, if one person raises a brokerage price from 5 rupees to 10 rupees, another broker may come in and say, I'm willing to take the margin hit in order to get more market share, and therefore I will keep my fees at 5 rupees. So the profits that the current industry gets, which is a fairly, let us say a 20% profit margin, may come down to a 10% profit margin because they're competitive. But what does that do? It's like in the telecom space when people fought to reduce prices, it was the consumers that benefited. And I think the consumers here, being the investors and the traders, I think they will benefit.
Now, overseas institutions have turned bullish on India's financial services companies with inflows of $1.1 billion into the sector. June also saw the world's fifth largest stock market post the best monthly gain in the year. June inflows came after two back-to-back months of outflows. FIIs recorded an outflow of $3.1 billion in May. Nifty Bank has risen by 6.8% in June, while Nifty Financial Services gained 7.84% during the month, compared to a 6.57% rally in the benchmark NSE Nifty 50. Now, during the month, FIIs withdrew the most from metals and mining, construction, oil and gas, and consumable fuels. Power companies also saw huge outflows in June. Well, let's now move on to the big story this evening. The Indian cricket team is back in the country 5 days after winning the T20 World Cup. The team met the Prime Minister this morning for breakfast, and he shared this experience on social media as well. The Indian cricket team will now celebrate their fantastic victory with fans in Mumbai. The BCCI has organized a trophy parade that starts from NCPA and culminates at the Wankhede Stadium. Aditya Rao, in fact, is joining us live, and I think he's outside the Wankhede Stadium. Aditya, hi, you seem as excited as the fans out there. Tell us, how the fans are feeling and what time are we expecting Team India?
Absolutely, Nupur. This scene outside the Wankhede Stadium right now is completely mesmerizing. The fans have come here in large numbers to congratulate Team India for their victory in the T20 World Cup. Finally, a wait of 17 years for the T20 World Cup trophy has ended. You can see, that the fans are gathered behind me, and there is a rain which is pouring. And yes, this is the kind of enthusiasm the fans are carrying despite the heavy rains right now. The fans are right here, ready to welcome their cricket heroes who have lifted the T20 World Cup after 17 years. Let's hear it from the fans. India! 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 अच्छा, सूर्या के कैच के लिए एक बार हो जाए. सूर्या! 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 So that is the kind of enthusiasm right here near Wankhede Stadium we are, and right now we are here and we will be bringing you the live action all through the evening. Stay tuned with us.
All right. Aditya, we will, of course, keep coming back to you through the evening to get all those updates. We slip into a very short break right now. On the other side, we bring you more news. Stay with us.